Hi bumblebees, so today we're going to be learning about the butterfly life cycle. So to learn about it, we are going to be reading a story, and this is a non-fiction story. Do you know what non-fiction is? That means that it is real, so these are true facts. So today we're going to be reading Caterpillar to Butterfly, and as we read, we're going to stop and we're going to fill out the butterfly life cycle together. So put your listening ears on and get ready to read our story. Beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright colors, some have bold patterns too. What kind of butterflies do you see? There are 4 stages. Can you show me 4 fingers? So there are 4 stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. So let's listen to them. And as we listen, we'll fill in our chart together over here. It's also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in a butterfly's life cycle. Stage number 1, egg. Stage number 2, caterpillar. Stage number 3, chrysalis. And stage number 4, butterfly. So we have our own butterflies. We have 5, and we're gonna watch them turn into all of these different stages. So when we first got them, they were eggs. And now what are they? Now they're caterpillars. And after, what are they gonna be next? What comes next? Chrysalis. And then they're gonna turn into butterflies. So can you help me fill this out? We learned the first stage. What was the first stage? Eggs. So first they're eggs, and then they turn into what? What are our class pets right now? Caterpillars. And then those caterpillars will form a chrysalis. And then out of that chrysalis comes a butterfly. Nice job, Bumblebee. So this is the butterfly life cycle. So let's try to say these words together. They're a little tricky. So our first one are eggs. Eggs. Those eggs turn into a caterpillar. And that caterpillar forms a chrysalis. And out of that chrysalis comes a butterfly. Nice job, Bumblebee. So let's keep reading to learn a little bit more. Stage 1, eggs. A mother butterfly lays eggs, many eggs on each leaf or branch. Each egg is close to food, caterpillar food, that is. So these are real pictures of butterflies and eggs. Stage number 2. Do you remember what stage number 2 is? Caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg. It crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. The caterpillar eats its shell, then it eats the leaf on it. The caterpillar moves from another leaf. It eats that too. So again, these are real pictures. Stage number 3. Do you remember what the caterpillar forms? This is called a chrysalis. By now the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called a chrysalis. It is a hard shell. Inside the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. So this is what a chrysalis looks like. And the caterpillar stays in there. And while it stays inside the chrysalis, is it changing or does it stay the same? It's changing, right? It's starting to turn into a butterfly. Stage number 4, butterfly. The chrysalis moves. It splits open. The butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. They get bigger and harden. The wings dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. So our last stage is the butterfly. time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. So what do you think a butterfly eats? Take a guess. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from a fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. Slurp. So butterflies drink, just like how we drink out of a straw. So since we learned about the last stage, we're gonna pause right here and read the rest of this another time because it's a little bit long. So for now, we're gonna stop here because we learned about the 4 stages. All right, good luck, bumblebees, and have fun with today's activities.